This is the elevator at Northern Light Tower Loft offices in Northside Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Allegheny West. This is an Otis Gen2 Series 4 on the outside. Very tall for a single slide door. Does not talk, unfortunately. Look up to the roof. Interior go up. Scenic. Ooh, drop down a little bit. Here at the roof. Car number 2. We'll go back down to 1. Loose. Certificate installed in 2005. TV screen displaying the weather. Windows 10. Another bad quality. Just your basic stainless steel cab. Very nice elevator. Here's the parking lot, which there's someone right there. Here, 1. Of course, it's not some good.